There is no doubt that the title of China's #1 economic city belongs to Shanghai. If we were to add one character before Shanghai, it would be Big, hence Big Shanghai. Shanghai is equivalent in size to 60 Parises, 5 New Yorks, and 4 Londons, making the name Big Shanghai well-deserved. As China's top economic city, Shanghai's GDP has exceeded 4 trillion yuan for consecutive years, accounting for 3.6% of the national economic aggregate. It contributes 1/10 of China's foreign trade imports and exports, and 1/5 of the country's foreign capital utilization. From a muddy tidal flat to a modern international metropolis, how many brilliant sceneries does this Oriental Pearl hold? How many stories are hidden beneath its prosperity? In this video, let's explore Shanghai, the one and only magic city in China. As China's economic hub and an international megacity on par with New York, Shanghai not only stands as a symbol of China's urban grandeur but also serves as a gateway connecting the Western Pacific to the world. The Huangpu River is Shanghai's urban lifeblood. It nurtures the city's economic vitality, divides Shanghai into Pudong, East Bank, and Puxi, West Bank, and creates a dialogue between the city's history and future across the river. East of the Huangpu River lies Lujiazui, China's core financial district. Covering just 1.7 square kilometers, this area is home to over 1,000 financial institutions, including the Chinese headquarters of global giants like HSBC, Citigroup, and Goldman Sachs. More than 10 trillion yuan in capital flows through Lujiazui daily, accounting for over 1/3 of China's total national financial market transaction volume. The Oriental Pearl radio and television tower is undoubtedly Shanghai's iconic landmark. When completed in 1994, its core function was radio and television signal transmission. Over nearly 3 decades, it has continued to convey China's voice and receive global messages above Shanghai's skyline. With 3 spheres, upper, middle, and lower, the tower resembles a string of pearls, embodying the Eastern artistic conception of combining hardness and softness, perfectly aligning with Shanghai's urban temperament. It is not only Shanghai's city card, but also a must-visit spot for tourists to overlook the entire city. Taking an elevator to the 259-meter-high fully transparent skywalk, visitors can gaze at the rolling waters of the Huangpu River below and the famous Three Brothers of Lujiazui nearby, taking in the grandeur of this modern metropolis. Completed in 1999, the Jin Mao Tower stands 420 meters tall, like a warrior clad in diamond armor, at the heart of Lujiazui's financial district. It was the first super high-rise skyscraper on China's mainland. The Shanghai World Financial Center, finished in 2008, reaches 492 meters, its inverted trapezoidal wind tunnel at the top reduces high-altitude wind loads, and its unique shape has earned it the nickname, Bottle Opener. The Shanghai Tower, completed in 2016, stands 632 meters tall with 127 floors above ground. It remains China's tallest building and ranks as the world's 3rd tallest to this day. Inheritance and transcendence is the theme of this magic city. From Jin Mao Tower to the Shanghai World Financial Center, and then to Shanghai Tower, Shanghai's skyline has been refreshed time and again. Alongside the upward growth of these skyscrapers, the city's charm and confidence have also soared. If Lujiazui is the modern card of Shanghai's finance, then the Bund, across the river, is its historical heritage. This 1.5-kilometer-long riverside boulevard is lined with 52 neoclassical revival buildings of diverse styles, known as the Gallery of World Architecture. Since the Bund was designated as a British concession in 1844, it has been the starting point of Shanghai's modern financial history. From the neoclassical HSBC building to the Customs House with its chiming clock, and the legendary Peace Hotel, every building holds a century of Shanghai's financial stories and carries profound cultural heritage. If Shanghai leads China's economic development like a giant ship, the Bund is the deck of this vessel. As night falls, boarding a Bund cruise ship offers a panoramic view of both banks of the Huangpu River. On one side are historic buildings bearing a century of prosperity, and on the other is Lujiazui radiating modern vitality. While immersed in the Bund's charm, one cannot help but marvel at Shanghai's dramatic urban transformation. Shanghai's economic strength extends beyond finance and commerce to sci-tech innovation and transportation. Zhangjiang Science City in Pudong New Area is a top performer in China's sci-tech innovation. It hosts 18 national-level research institutes, 30 university branches, and over 500 high-tech enterprises, fostering a number of hardcore technology companies and earning it the title of China's Silicon Valley. The Shanghai Maglev train, connecting Zhangjiang to Pudong International Airport, is a vivid embodiment of sci-tech innovation speed. As China's first and the world's only commercially operated maglev line, it has a design speed of 430 km per hour, serving as a mobile business card for Shanghai's sci-tech strength. Shanghai's economic strength is ultimately reflected in people's lives. Life in this city blends high-end fashion sense with down-to-earth vibrancy of daily life, where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously. Tucked away in Shanghai's bustling city center is Yuyuan Garden, a serene classical garden. First built during the Ming Dynasty, it is a representative of Chinese classical gardens. Stepping from the Bund's bustling crowds into Yuyuan Garden feels like traveling back in time from the modern era to ancient China. Yuyuan Garden's charm lies not only in its garden scenery, but also in its daily vitality. Every spring festival, the garden hosts a large-scale zodiac-themed lantern festival. People visit to admire the lanterns, enjoy the scenery, pray, and make wishes, creating precious spring festival memories. If Yuyuan Garden represents the tradition of old Shanghai, then Shanghai Disneyland Resort embodies the joy of new Shanghai. This fairy tale kingdom officially opened in 2016 as the world's 6th Disneyland park. Since then, it has received over 10 million visitors annually, becoming Shanghai's new, top-tier landmark. Covering 1.16 square kilometers, Shanghai Disneyland features over 30 amusement rides and more than 20 entertainment shows, an ideal dreamland for children. For adults, the romantic night fireworks show is a balm for their moods. Beyond being Shanghai's cultural and tourism card, it also showcases the city's gentle side. Alongside its robust economic strength, Shanghai can also guard a piece of fairy tale and dreams for people. Perhaps the magic of Disneyland lies in making everyone feel like a child again. Xintiandi is a symbol of Shanghai's integration of Chinese and Western styles. This district, renovated from Shikumen buildings, traditional Shanghai lane houses with stone gateways, retains the original features of red brick walls, dormer windows, and stone gateways, while the interiors have been transformed into trendy restaurants, bars, and cafes. Every weekend, Xintiandi's open-air square hosts markets and concerts. Young people sit on the steps of Shikumen buildings, drinking coffee and chatting, creating a unique charm from the collision of retro and trendy styles. Wukang Road is one of Shanghai's most artistic streets. Stretching 1.1 kilometers, it is famous for the Wukang Building, a French-style building completed in 1924, shaped like a ship and long known as an internet-famous check-in spot. Tall plane trees line both sides of the road, their leaves form a dense canopy in summer, and their fallen leaves carpet the ground in golden hues in autumn. Here, you can see elderly people walking their dogs under the plane trees, young people working on laptops in cafes, tourists taking photos with cameras, and street performers playing the guitar and singing. Free from Lujiazui's hustle and the Bund's crowds, this street exudes a sense of relaxation, revealing Shanghai's gentle side. This is Shanghai, China's #1 economic city and the magic city in everyone's heart. As the host of China's first pilot free trade zone, first star market, sci-tech innovation board, and first import expo, Shanghai has always stood at the forefront of reform and opening up, exploring paths for China's high-quality economic development. Its story continues. Its future is full of promise.